guests, friends, good morning to all of you. On behalf of Batch 2012, I would like to welcome you all to the graduation ceremony of Class 2012 of the School of Faith and Jesus. I would like to thank our parents who supported us all the way, our teachers who believe in us, our friends who made our schooling more exciting and fun, our families for the guidance they have given us and the patience they have shown in teaching us things that we shall take with us as we step into the real world. And of course, our Almighty God for protecting each of us. As I stand here, sure and unsure, in equal measure, the one image that seems to flash constantly before my eyes is my first day at School of Faith for Jesus. Having transferred to this school on my 6th grade, I preferred to sit alone for some time during lunch hours because I still needed to make new friends and acclimate myself to the new environment. Yes, I spent my first few hours absolutely miserable, but then I had that class, grade 6 perseverance, where things changed. I came here shy, an introvert person, unsure of what I wanted from life, but today as I graduate, I have in my hand an admission letter from the one of the most prestigious schools in Pampanga, looking forward to a career close to my heart. If even only for a second, I believe that I achieved this on my own, by myself, I will be fooling myself. I think I speak for all of us, my classmates, when I say that without the support and guidance of our teachers and School of Faith for Jesus, many of us would have been struggling with self-doubt and mentoring without reason. So thank you, dear teachers and our alma mater. Before I let my emotions sweep me away, I would like to tell my classmates who are sitting here in their caps and gowns just one little thing. Thank you for all the memories, the competitions, the team efforts, the school activities, the photo ops, all of them. I don't think I would exchange them for anything in the world. Again, I say much thank to Mrs. Eliza Maricela, school principal, Mrs. Amanda Spanta, school director, Miss Laarnia Espinosa, our class advisor, my grandparents, Mrs. and Mr. Calito Paulina, and my beloved parents, Mr. and Mrs. Fernina. So batch 2012, fellow graduates, brace yourself, because the best is yet to come. God bless us all.